Today we will be replacing the up-down kit for the HP 3600. Always remember to first turn off the power and lock out your printer. Then remove the back cover from the printer. Once the back cover has been removed, you will need to disconnect the power connector going to the print head cleaning system. Then remove the blue network cable and put these to the side. On the front side of the printer, slide out the cleaning system and remove the top stop screw. Then remove the 4 screws from the rubber end protector. Grab the blue handle of the cleaning roller and slide it out. Then with your other hand grab the rear handle of the cleaning roller system. Place the cleaning system on a working table with enough space to disassemble the unit. Cut off the cleaning roller and remove it from the top part of the cleaning unit. Remove the 3 screws on the right side that mount the wiper blade unit to the cleaning frame. There are 5 screws from the blue handle side that will need to be removed. Please note the size difference of some of these screws. Using a flat screwdriver or the tool of your choice, carefully remove the split ring that holds the drive roller in place. Then remove the bolt holding the pinch system in place and remove this unit. The handle and cover plate can now be removed, gaining access to the up-down parts on this side of the unit. Remove all of the remaining screws that attach the unit to the cleaning system frame and place this unit down on a good working area of the table. As you can see here, the brass bushing are worn through and they are flat. This is causing the up and down to have friction and not flow smoothly. For this replacement, you will need part number CZ056DS H67 print head cleaning roller up-down part. Remove the 2 screws holding the orange web wipe blade in place. Remove the split rings from both of the brass guide bushings. If they do go flying, it's okay. There are new ones in the box. You can now remove the 2 springs, and this will allow you to raise the cylinder up and remove the brass bushings from their posts. As you can see here, they are completely worn through. You can now remove the split ring on the up-down cam and the lower brass bushing. We can now start to reassemble the up-down kit for this side. We will do all steps in reverse, starting with the lower brass bushing. Install the cam lifter bushing onto the flat lifting plate and secure it with a split ring. Be sure to clean any debris that is on the cleaning unit. This will help prevent any unwanted rubbing and wear. Install the new lifting cam and secure it with the new split ring. We will now install the up-down plate, new brass bushing, and the split rings to secure this in place. Once you have this completed, back this video up, and do these same steps to the other side of the unit. Now that both sides have been completed, you can begin reassembling your unit. The cleaning system is now ready to be remounted to the cleaning item frame. Be careful when you are mounting it back on. You may have to spin the gears to get them to align correctly. Now that it has been remounted, you can start installing the screws. Congrats! You have successfully replaced the up-down kit on your cleaning system. You can now reinstall the cleaning system in your printer. Carefully align the bearing with the top and lower rails, and slide it back into place. Resecure the stop bolt and the rubber end cap. You are now ready to connect the power cable and the data cable on the back side of the cleaning unit. Web the cleaning roller, or replace it with a new one. If you have a large amount of cleaning roll left, I recommend just taping the cleaning roll back onto the used roll, and give it a few wraps to secure it in place, or cut off all of your old cleaning roll and tape it back to the core. Finally, you can reinstall the back panel and power the printer back up.